What's up amigos, Carlos Costa for Beardbrand Alliance. Today's video, it's a very different one, but that you guys been requesting on the comments for me to do so, hairstyling video. It's been a while since I've done one of those, and as per usual I like to take inspiration from celebrities that I like on hairstyles, on beard styles, and this time will be David Beckham once again. Also in the comments you guys think that I look like David Beckham. I suppose we have kind of the same shaped head. I've got a lot more hair. Nonetheless, I take inspiration from David Beckham, and with that inspiration I've actually just got a haircut about 4 days ago, and the reason why I decided to go for the way this hair is cut, it's because it's versatile, so I can style this hair in various different ways. I'm going to show you a couple of ways. Right now I've done literally nothing to my hair apart from I had a shower and I walked to the office, which is about a 15-minute walk. It's quite windy out there, so my hair just dried and it looks like this. All I did was I've put a little bit of utility oil in it, and that's about it. So this hairstyle is quite cool. I like it. It's low maintenance, and it's kind of parted on the side, but it's not. However, it does make the head look a little bit like a little mushroomy, which it's not bad, but it could be a little bit of a weird look. So what I'm gonna do is get those two hairstyles on the go. First I'm gonna wet my hair once again and then go for it and show you the products I use and how I style it. Yeah, so let's say I just had the shower. Usually this is how it goes. Kind of towel dry a little bit and then style it backwards using a hairdryer. But as you can see, it's pretty much almost there. Like, this is a cool haircut, very low maintenance, and to keep it like this, kind of parted on here, it's like not a really hard part, it's just slightly parted, which makes the haircut look natural. I would just use a little bit of sea salt spray and blow dry it into that position, or even let it dry as it is. Preferably I would just let it dry like that, or sometimes I would dry it first and then apply the sea salt spray and just manage it with the hair. So that's kind of what I'm just going to do a little bit for you guys to have an idea. Medium heat, and just kind of run my fingers through my hair, creating sort of waves and leaving this sort of parted there. I'll apply some sea salt spray, not too much, just enough to create that volume and texture. Then I kind of just run my fingers through the part where the parting should be. You can use Beardbrand Beautiful Comb. I prefer my fingers to this haircut. When I want it more neat, then yes. If you don't like the way the hair goes in a kind of mushroomy shape, to put it down on the sides, apply a bit of styling paste. I'm gonna do that, and then not too much, just a tiny bit. Make sure it's kind of gone, and then not crazy, but just bringing it down slightly, and then you can finish off by running your fingers through the hair. Voila, this is a simple, cool style, natural looking, and you can, if you want, you can slightly flick it more to the side, gets a bit wavy. There's some texture. Let it dry or blow dry. I prefer to let it dry naturally. However, I am going to go cold and just from quite over distance, just kind of, it's the wind. You experience the wind outside and just let it dry. Boom. So this is haircut number one, hairstyle number one that I like, and David Beckham kind of does this sort of style quite a lot. Very natural, sometimes shorter on the sides here, which brings me to the next haircut. So let's mess this around, get it all wet again. Same kind of procedure. You get out of the shower, your hair is all crazy, so you dry into the position, which is back. But now, because I've already done this hairstyle, I have to really dry it, get it wet and then dry it, because it's got a bit of product on it. Really, there you go. Bang, done. There you go, that's the hairstyle done. Proper David Beckham. So for this one, I'm gonna give it more volume. This is definitely one of my favorite haircuts of all time. I used to rock these quite a lot, and as you know, I grew my hair long and then buzz cut, but this is classic and I really love it. So I need to get the volume right on this, and for this one I'm gonna go medium heat, full force. I'm drying with my fingers. A lot of people use a brush. My hair's already got enough volume because there's quite a lot and it's thick. So if you got thick hair and it's like mine with volume, you probably don't need that brush. You just use your hands. If you got thin hair, you definitely need a brush to create this sort of volume. For me, it's just drying it, pulling it back with my hand, and blow drying it. You guys probably can guess what this is, but as I already got sea salt spray and some product on my hair, it's kind of getting in there already. A little bit of sea salt spray to help with the volume, but really now I'm gonna use mostly the styling paste. So I'm gonna do sea salt spray, just a tiny bit, styling paste, and I mix it with the sea salt spray. I know it goes crazy, but then because I want the sides to go tight, literally I start on the sides, getting these sides tight, and then the rest, not too much, but on the top. You don't want the top, put too much product on the top and then squashes it. You want to keep that volume, but you also want it to keep it in place. So definitely tight on the sides. Then that beautiful Beardbrand comb. This is my cool pompadour. This is my favorite hairstyle on me. I think it suits me really well. Goes nice with the shape of my face, and especially now with this really short beard. So inspiration from kind of David Beckham and kind of myself, to be honest, some of my old haircuts, but definitely one of my favorite haircuts. Hope you guys enjoyed this hairstyling video. Let me know in the comments. Let me know what you would like next. Now that I've got some sort of cool hair, come back and I can create some cool styles. Bye. As usual, stay cool.
What is going on? Beardbrand Founder here, and I want to talk to you guys about styling paste. What is the styling paste? It is a styling product. You use it on your hair or you use it on your beard. So that means you're going to tame your beard, you're going to tame your hair, and it's going to give you a satin finish.